Well, the mission of our church is similar to most churches from the standpoint that we're reaching people with the gospel of Jesus Christ. This is an oil field area, and so we have a lot of people that have never seen a big city type of environment of worship. Technology, the lights, the sound, they don't normally have an experience of in their everyday life of the kind of quality that we shoot to put on for them. And across the street we had a facility that was 20 years old, and the technology was about 20 years old, and it was difficult to do a lot of the things that we were hoping to do. The way that we built this facility was from a community standpoint. You know, people can look across and see one another. And also this commons area is much bigger. We had this tiny hallway in the other building. We couldn't communicate with each other. We didn't have a sense of community really. And so this building, along with the technology and the design of the facility, has allowed us to encounter each other as well as the presence of God